Hello, good evening, everybody. Spirit wants us to know we are being shown the way. We must be in the here and the now. We are getting mental clarity, and that's leading us to great, great happiness coming in our lives. There is always enough, and there is always solutions. They say we are going to be successful, which comes from objective compromise, self control, and patience, forgiving and healing energy. They want us to purify our lives of negative people, places, and experiences. That way, we will attain true peace. We do have reason to celebrate, and Spirit says that the divine universe is working through you and protecting you. You are in control of your life. You slowly but surely getting ahead. You're passionate, charming, brilliant, and independent, and you can do anything you want now. Go after what you want. Something good will come of this. You're connecting with people on a soul level now. And Spirit says that the alignment that you seek also seeks you. Breathe, rest, and reset. You will feel the peace and calm easily find you as you restore the balance within. You are actually doing very well with that. They say this you must be the peace. The star card is here, and they say a dream is coming true. Believe in yourself. The moon phases align with your desires. Make a wish. Yes, there are a lot of situations and people leaving your life. You were heavy loaded with worries and troubles and sleepless nights and anxiety. And the angel card 555 is here, and it says, the time for change is now. The angels are whispering for you to trust your path and to learn how to work it. Follow your light. You and your partner are going to get on the same page, and you both going to walk into your future with confidence and happiness in your hearts. Your loved ones want you to know that you need to uplift your thoughts, focus your attention on your many blessings, and be patient. Your prayers have been heard and they are being answered. Have a lovely evening, everybody. I love you all.